Hi friends, today I come here with a new innovation, Easy Local Burger or Vada Pav. I have boiled potato, smashed bread slices, ginger, garlic, green chili, cilantro, onion, salt, garam masala, fenugreek seed, black pepper, fennel seed, coriander powder, red chili, some boiled and vegetables, carrot, French beans, some chickpea and all-purpose flour, potato, bread, some salt, ginger garlic, green chili chopped, cilantro, vegetables, coriander powder, pinch of fenugreek seed, pinch of fennel seeds, pinch of garam masala, some red chili, smashed together. Add onion also, smashed together and now it's smashed well. Make a balls. Make the batter, flour, salt, fenugreek seed powder, melt of garam masala, some asafoetida, black pepper, water, mix together. Batter is ready. Add oil. Oil is heat. Take the balls, dip it into the batter. Yes, it's fried well. Remove it from the fire. Take a bun, cut it like this, add some tomato ketchup, place a ball in it, eat it like this. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for next videos. Thank you.